one of the reasons I put the EP Expo together the way I did was because I think a lot of guys do a lot of mental gymnastics to avoid the hard skills, which is a compounding problem, you know. You avoid the range long enough, you avoid the dojo long enough, and then you get afraid to go there when it's the safest place for warriors to be. You know, it's where you should be, hanging out with other warriors, learning, getting choked out, you know, failing, trying to become better and better and better. It's like where you should be hanging out, man. It's not about pretending to be perfect, you know. And I think that's what keeps a lot of people away. So I really hope that this being an executive protection event, we're going to be physical. You know, our speakers are physical. And obviously, you need the soft skills. And I think what guys forget to realize is when you become part of the tribe, like a warrior tribe, and you're practicing, you're training, you're competing, it's a whole different type of love, man. It's a whole different love language. It's like guys start to trust you more. You start to trust yourself more. You know, you're less reactive. Your ego's kept in check. Like, I'm Byron Rodgers, you know what I'm saying? But like, this stage don't care. Competition don't care. 315 pounds, always 315 pounds. The only thing that changes is Byron Rodgers. Like, who am I relative to the weight I could push yesterday? You know what I'm saying? That's really where this game, that's the thing. You go to work every day. Yeah, you seem like you're lifting a lot because work is generally easy in this game, you know? It's a lot of soft skills, but like what happens on one day is not. What happens on that day? Are you gonna be ready? How do you know? 90% of the industry would get wrecked running this stage that we're running right now.